I'm Todd Carlson, Regional Service Manager for Bay & Bay, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new Thermo King APU Controller for the Tri-Pack Evolution that we have in all of our new Cascadia Freightliners and some of our equipment that's about a year old right now. So first off, turn the power button on, and it'll go through the checks here. Take us a couple minutes here to get all this stuff initiated. There we're at 100%. Now it's in standby mode. You want this machine in standby mode if you're even if the truck is sitting still. It'll monitor your battery voltage and keep your batteries charged even if you're not calling for AC or heat. It automatically went into cool mode when I turned this on. That was probably the last setting. So now the AC is kicking on and the APU should turn on here in a second. If you didn't want AC, you could just go to off, fan mode. It doesn't have heat mode on here because we have an S-bar separate controller for the S-bar heater. So you go back to cool, the vents are activated. There, the APU just kicked on. Depending on what temperature you have it set at, 65 is the lowest setting on the temp. You can crank it up a little bit if it's too cold in here. Bring it back down to 65 if you want. Play with those buttons when you're out there. Don't be afraid to press buttons and learn how to operate this machine, but it's pretty simple. Thank you for your time, and good luck out there. Thank you.